सुनो निजाम के बल बल जइयो मैं तो अनमोल चेरी गवाई रे मैं तो अनमोल चेरी गवाई रे मैं निजाम से नैना लगाई रे नैना छब बनाई के जो मैं पी के पास गई
अपनी छब बनाए के जो मैं पी के पास गई।
अरे जब छब देखी पीहू की सपनी भूल गई।
नर नारी गवारी चहे सो कहे, नर नारी गवारी
चाहे सो कहे, मैं निजाम से नैना लगाई रे, मैं निजाम से नैना लगाई रे, मैं निजाम से नैना
लगा आई रे। नर नारी
नर नारी नर नारी गवारी मैंने जाम से
नैना लगाई रे नर नारी गवारी नर नारी गवारी
है सोहनी सूरत मोहनी मूरत
सोहनी सूरत मोहनी मूरत
सोहनी सूरत मोहनी मूरत में तोहरे बीच समाई रे मैं तोहरे बीच समाई रे मैं तोहरे
समा 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 मैं तोहरे बीच समाई रे मैं तोहरे बीच समाई रे नर नारी गवारी नर नारी गवारी नर
है खुसरो निजाम के बल बल जइयो खुसरो निजाम के
बल बल
आहे वाके बल बल जइयो वाके
बल बल जइयो
बल बल जइयो खुसरो निजाम बल बल जइयो
निजाम खुसरो
निजाम के बल बल जइयो मैं तो अनमोल चेरी गवाई रे मैं तो अनमोल चेरी
गवाई रे
मैं निजाम से नैना लगाई रे
नैना 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 मैंने दाम से नैना लगाई रे नर नारी गवारी नर नारी गवारी नर नारी गवारी
छब बनाई के जो मैं पी के पास गई
अपनी छब बनाए के जो मैं पी के पास
अरे जब छब देखी पीहू की सपनी भूल गई।
नर नारी गवारी चहे सो कहे, नर नारी गवारी चाहे सो कहे, मैं निजाम से नैना लगाई रे, मैं निजाम से नैना लगाई रे, मैं निजाम से नैना लगा आई रे। नर नारी
नर नारी नर नारी गवारी चाहे सो कहे,
मैं निजाम से नैना लगा आई रे, मैं निजाम
नैना नैना
मैं निजाम से
आनी की लगे छब अपने पिया की आँख रसीली लाज भरी रे, चितवन कछ जादू सकीनो चैन गया मोरी नींद हरी रे, मैं
निजाम से नैना लगा आई रे।
దయచేసి బ్యూటీ కాంటెస్టెంట్ తప్ప దీంట్లో మరెవరు కూడా పాల్గొనొద్దని విజ్ఞప్తి. దయచేసి మీరందరూ కూడా పక్కకు ఉండాలి. ఓన్లీ బ్యూటీ కాంటెస్టెంట్స్ బతుకమ్మలాడే వాళ్ళు మాత్రమే ఉండాల్సిందిగా విజ్ఞప్తి.
పచ్చని పల్లె పచ్చని పల్లె మబ్బుల్లో లేసింది వాకిళ్ళు ఊడ్చి ముగ్గులు పెట్టింది. అందాల బొడ్డమ్మ వాకిట్లో పెట్టి చెయ్యెత్తి వచ్చింది కాపాడమంటూ గౌరమ్మ అడిగింది.
ఆడబిడ్డలు ఇంటింట నిండే అమ్మ నాన్న గుండెంతో పొంగే సత్తి పిండి సత్తినాడు చూస్తే నోటి నిండా ఊరే పొద్దు పొద్దున్నే తమ్ముళ్ళు లేచి పూల కోసం బయలుదేరి ఉరికే పాప పరిచి వాకిళ్ళలోన చెల్లెళ్ళంతా బతుకమ్మ పేరే.
పచ్చని పల్లె మబ్బుల్లో లేసింది వాకిళ్ళు ఊడ్చి ముగ్గులు పెట్టింది. అందాల బొడ్డమ్మ వాకిట్లో పెట్టి చెయ్యెత్తి వచ్చింది కాపాడమంటూ గౌరమ్మ అడిగింది.
డిఎఫ్ఓ గారు ఎక్కడున్నారు?
ఈ నేల ఊరు వాడ పరవశించి పండుగ జరిపే. పాప ఇనుప తందుగలో
thank you so much. బతుకమ్మ పాటకు ఆడి పాడి they have taken a leg with బతుకమ్మ traditional బతుకమ్మ. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to all the beauty contestants of Miss World 2025, and we welcome to the world of Pillalamarri.
We now enter Pillalamarri, one of the oldest and largest banyan trees in India, over 800 years old. This tree is not just a botanical marvel, it is a living ecosystem. Its canopy spread across 3 acres, delivering birds, insects, reptiles and crops visitors each year. But more than that, it symbolizes something timeless. I now request the DFO, District Forest Officer, to take over the presentation.
अपनी छब बनाए के जो मैं पी के पास गई
अरे जब छब देखी पीहू की सपनी भूल गई
नर नारी गवारी चहे सो कहे नर नारी गवारी चाहे सो कहे मैं निजाम से नैना लगाई रे मैं निजाम से नैना लगाई रे निजाम से नैना लगा आई रे नर नारी
नर नारी गवारी चाहे सो कहे मैं निजाम से नैना लगा रे मैं निजाम नैना नैना मैं निजाम से आनी की लगे सब अपने पिया की आँख रसीली लाज भरी रे चितवन कछु जादू सकीनो
in Indian tradition, various parts of this tree is being used. Even it cures cancer also. So this is a very prominent feature of the banyan tree. So that is the reason this tree has been deeply rooted in Indian culture. So, in India, wherever you go, in the rural area, you will find the tree in every village, especially in 2 places. One is at a religious place, that is a temple, and one is at the center of the village, where people sit together to resolve their issues. That is called Rasabanda in our local language. In Indian mythology and Indian scripture, this has an immense value. So this is called Kalpa Vriksha, meaning wish fulfilling holy tree. Because you are under this tree, you can wish for your success in the contest. Okay. And there is a significant happened here. That is this tree. Recent of this tree has suffered immensely. Because you can see this vandalism by the visitors. People used to come and climb back to the tree, as well as they swaying with the crop roots. So the crop roots could not strike into the ground, and the branches started weak and they are falling on the ground. And because of pest and insect attack, the trees have broken and dried up and fallen. Some also uprooted due to heavy wind. So because of that, Telangana government has handed over the tree to the forest department. So we have treated that tree. You can see it. So initially we have supported the tree branches with cement structure. So, because there are no crop roots, the cement structure have supported the branches. And we have treated the branches wherever this pest is attacked, the pesticide and fungicide has been injected into the branches. That is also we have treated the crop root. When we treated with insecticide and given some organic manure to the trunk, now the tree started producing crop root. And also it is giving fruits and new leaves coming. So now you can see the magnificent tree. It is now a joyful and blissful tree. So you can wish for its blessing. Thank you. And as a messengers of the world, Miss World contestants, we can promote the save trees and save soil to save our globe. Thank you very much.
Thank you all the contestants. So now I request all the Miss World contestants to join in for the group picture. So right here we have the arrangement for the group picture. I request everyone to come over here for the group picture. Yes, over here.
छब बनाई के जो मैं पी के पास गई
अपनी छब बनाए के जो मैं पी के पास गई।
अरे जब छब देखी पीहू की
I request everyone to pose namaskaram for the picture.
सपनी भूल गई
नर नारी गवारी चहे
Let's say on the count of 1, 2, 3. Namaskaram Telangana. Right? 1, 2, 3. Namaskaram Telangana. Yes, and let's say the slogan. Telangana Zarur Aana. On the count of 1, 2, 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Telangana Zarur Aana. Thank you. It was so lovely.
लगा आई रे नर नारी
नर नारी गवारी चाहे सो कहे मैं निजाम से नैना लगा आई रे मैं निजाम नैना नैना मैं निजाम से
I request request all the public representatives
सब अपने पिया की आँख रसीली लाज भरी रे चितवन कछु जादू सकीनो चैन गया मोरी नींद हरी रे मैंने जाम से नैना लगाई रे
I request all the public representatives, the Honorable Minister and the MLAs and the collector, everyone to join in for the group picture.
जाम से नैना
मैंने जाम से
नैना लगाई है नर नारी गवारी नर नारी गवारी
है सोहनी सूरत मोहनी मूरत
सोहनी
Okay, let's say it once again. On the count of 1, 2, 3. Telangana, Zarur Aana. 1, 2, 3.
मोहनी मूरत में तोहे
Lovely, lovely. Thank you so much.
समाई रे मैं तोहे समाई
I request everyone to exit from here.
मैं तोहे
I request
Please
all
exit
the
from here.
security dignitaries take an exit from the photo op to join the space that is located in the shade of the great banyan tree.
समाई रे मैं तोहे बीच समाई रे नर नारी गवारी नर नारी
This you can
गवारी नारी
है खुसरो निजाम के बल बल जइयो खुसरो आहे वाके बल बल जइयो वाके बल
Around 200 odd props we have trained so far. So that's the reason it has been rejuvenated now, and we are conserving it and protecting it.
बल बल जइयो
जाम निजाम खुसरो
निजाम के बल बल जइयो
And now from the land of colors, music and rhythm, we bring you the Banjara dance, a vibrant folk performance by Telangana's nomadic tribe. These dancers are our storytellers in motion. Watch closely because their spirit is infectious. Now I request all the musical contestants to
छब
join
बना
in for
के
the picture. Let us take a
जो मैं पी के पास गई
अरे जब छब देखी पीहू की सपनी भूल गई
नर नारी गवारी चहे सो कहे नर नारी गवारी चाहे सो कहे मैं निजाम से नैना लगाई रे मैं निजाम से नैना लगाई रे मैं निजाम से नैना लगा आई रे नर नारी
अहे नर नारी गवारी चाहे सो कहे मैं निजाम
से नैना लगाए रे बहनी जान
नैना नैना
बहनी जान से
आनी की लगे छब अपने पिया की आँख रसीली लाज भरी रे चितवन कछ जादू सकीनो चैन गया मोरी नींद हरी रे
बहनी जान से नैना लगाई रे बहनी जान से नैना लगाई रे बहनी जान से नैना नैना लगाई है नर नारी गवारी नर नारी गवारी
सोहनी सूरत मोहनी मूरत
सोहनी सूरत मोहनी मूरत
सोहनी सूरत मोहनी मूरत में तोहे तेरी
समाई रे मैं तुझे
समाई रे मैं तुहे देवी
समा 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 मैं तुझे बीच समाई रे मैं तुझे बीच समाई रे नर नारी गवारी नर नारी गवारी नर
है खुसरो निजाम के बल बल जइयो खुसरो निजाम आहे वाके बल बल जइयो वाके
बल बल जइयो
बल बल जइयो खुसरो निजाम बल बल जइयो
निजाम निजाम खुसरो
निजाम के बल बल जइयो मैं तो अनमोल चेरी गवाई रे मैं तो अनमोल चेरी
गवाई रे
मेरी जान
To leave behind life. Our ritual contestants will now plant saplings within this sacred forest area. Doing so, you become part of Mahbubnagar's ecosystem. These saplings will grow in the shade of the great banyan, nurtured by the soil you touched, watered by the spirit of hope. Years from now, these trees will stand as brief reminders of today's purpose-driven beauty. Thank you for making this contribution to sustainability. One sapling at a time. So I request all the Miss World contestants right now to move towards to plant sapling.
సూర్యున్నే బొట్టుగా పెట్టినవు బళ్ళాన్నే చేతిల పట్టినవు మహమారి తలలే నరికినవు పెద్దమ్మ నరకానికి దుష్టుల దరిమినవు కైలాసం వద్దని ఇడిసినవు కలియుగమే మాకై వచ్చినవు మా పిల్లల చల్లగా చూసినవు మాయమ్మ పులిపై సంవారే చేసినవు ఓయమ్మ అందుకే నీకు బోనాలెత్తుతాము
బెల్లం
Yes, we just witnessed the vibrant Bonalu. I now request all the Miss World contestants to join in for the plantation program. Please look down because the entire pathway is a little slopey. Please look down and take care while walking. Yes, please watch your steps, and I request all the contestants to join in for the plantation program. With this, you'll be the part of the Mahbub Nagar's history forever.
सो कहे नर नारी गवारी चाहे सो कहे मैं निजाम से नैना लगाई रे मैं निजाम से नैना लगाई रे मैं निजाम से नैना लगा आई रे नर नारी
plantation we have taken. Every year Telangana government takes up huge plantation during monsoon season. It is called Vana Mahotsavam. It is a festival of trees we celebrate every year, and for the past 10 years in Telangana, around 250 crore saplings we have planted so far. Please share the plant. There are 11 trees. Share the plant. 2 contestants, 1 plant. Please come forward and put the soil. One of you can put the soil and one of you can.
जादू सकीनो चैन गया मोरी
Help them to put the soil.
हरी रे मैनी राम से नैना
लगा आई
Ladies, stand up. ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారు? ఇక్కడ.
राम से नैना लगा आई मैं निजाम से नैना नैना लगाई है नर नारी गवारी नर नारी गवारी
सोहनी सूरत मोहनी मूरत
सोहनी सूरत मोहनी मूरत
सोहनी सूरत मोहनी मूरत में तोहरे बीच
समाई रे मैं तोहरे बीच
समाई रे मैं तोहरे
समाई समा 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 मैं तोहरे बीच समाई रे मैं तोहरे बीच समाई रे नर नारी
Thank you all the contestants for joining in for the plantation ceremony. Now I request each one of you to join in for the interaction section.
बल बल जइयो
I request everyone to join in for the interaction session from the local students Telangana.
आहे वाके बल बल जइयो वाके
बल बल जइयो
बल बल जइयो खुसरोनी का
What makes today special is not just music, but the impact you leave behind. Waiting to meet you are some incredibly bright students from our local schools. Young minds who dream big and who look up to you as global symbols of ambition, confidence, and empowerment. This interaction is going to be short, but it will be powerful. So we invite the contestants to share a question or two, or simply inspire the students to believe if she can fly with the next generation. The Miss World contestants across the globe. Any questions that you have, you can kindly address them. Maybe we can seek some inspiration today. So now we are open for the questions. Any questions from the students? The Miss World contestants can take. Any one of you can answer the questions that are asked by the students.
Welcome to Mahbubnagar district. We all are excited to meet you all. Now I would like to ask a question. How did your journey towards Miss World started? How would your journey towards Miss World started?
Any of the contestants can start. I am sure everyone will have a great answer for this. Everyone will have their own road of difficulties, their own journey. But we are all excited to hear some of the interesting stories of yours.
Hi, thank you so much for your question. My Miss World journey personally started from wanting to get on a platform to advocate for something, things I believe in, which is typically harmony and peace and also the environment. That's why we're here today, Save the Plant. So I guess I needed a platform that my voice could be heard and to receive questions from students like you to spread the message and to advocate for what truly matters, which is life. Life and peace and harmony. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your answer.
So can we get the next question?
Good evening to all. My question is, after seeing our 700 years old banyan tree at Pilalamari, what are your thoughts about protecting nature and spreading awareness about it? Once again, I repeat, after seeing our 700 years old banyan tree at Pilalamari, what are your thoughts about protecting nature and spreading awareness about it?
Thank you so much for your question. You look incredibly beautiful.
Thank you.
When I saw the banyan tree and when we were all thinking about coming here, and the brief was given that it is 700 years old, one thing that came into my mind that I come from a farming background. My father is a farmer and I'm a girl rooted in soil. And when I saw that there's so much love, care and attention given to a tree, we are seeing the foundation of India, and then such young girls, such beautiful girls are here to attend this beautiful function. It also states that proud of where you come from, like me. And I'm sure that this banyan tree will take a lot of memories back from here, and we continuously nourish it, and generations and generations will look forward and respecting it. And I'm sure that we all will come here again for tree plantation every year if given a chance, and I'm sure that the village will
Huge round of
also
applause,
accept
please.
us. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the answer. I think everyone will take back some sort of inspiration from your answer. Thank you.
Good evening to all. My question is, many people fear speaking on stage. How did you learn to stay calm and confident?
Yes, I think everyone needs the tips of staying calm and composed on the stage, especially on an international platform like this. Speaking on stage used to be a nightmare for me. Like, oh my god, I have low self-worth. I used to be really insecure growing up. But if you had asked me 7 years back from now that write about a flower, I would not be so trust yourself when you don't start, like you don't want to succeed, and you start to embrace yourself and start to feel how special you are. Slowly you get out of this fear. At the same time, you feel like that you are suffering issues or in this world, nobody else is like you. There's only one you. And how special you are. When you start to understand it, all your fears start to fade away because you don't want to prove yourself anymore. You just love yourself and you're a fan of yourself. Right now, I'm a fan of myself. I love myself so much and I'm so happy in my life. That's why I'm here to let all the young people know who are insecure, like I was once, to let them know how to love themselves.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was the most needed message. And we are taking one last question from the group.
Good evening all.
Excuse me, I just want to answer onto that. I want to add what Bangladesh said. You know, when you don't believe in yourself, then you think a lot that what will people think about you. When you come from small places, you think that people who come from metropolitans, they might mock you. But it truly matters in your heart that you believe in yourself, that you give yourself a chance to go into that bigger world and accept all those challenges. I used to be the girl जिसके हाथ में ऐसे कि अगर माइक अगर उसको दे दिया जाए तो, बट आज शायद मैं उतने कॉन्फिडेंस से बात कर पाती हूँ जैसे बाकी इतनी सुंदर लड़कियाँ जो स्टेज पे बैठी है वो बोल पा रही हैं. तो खुद के अंदर विश्वास रखना कि मैं किसी से कम नहीं हूँ, मैं खुद से कम नहीं हूँ, वो विश्वास अगर आप अपने अंदर ले आओगे, you will go places, my dear. And trust me, it is so much important to believe in yourself. You will go so further in your life. Thank you so much.
That's such an important message to take back. Confidence is the key. Right, and we're open to the one last question tonight.
Good morning all. Good evening all. What was your biggest dream when you are in student like us?
So hello, thanks for a lovely question and coming here to welcome us. When I was small, I wanted to be a veterinary doctor, and I wanted to do it throughout my life. And eventually I realized that feelings are not just with animals but with trees as well. The tree that we're under has the largest number of stories collection. So eventually I wanted to take every opportunity that I have to be with trees, not speak for them, but listen to them. And now that I've grown up and I still have to grow up, I think I want to do it with the diverse number of species all around me. And that is what I'm doing right now. Thank you for the question. May I add on, please?
Thank you so much.
May I add on from Miss Nepal? I know that all of us here have many dreams, and I know that you too you all beautiful children have so many dreams as well. And as someone who grew up wanting to be a pilot, wanting to be a security guard, a chef, a model, an actress, everything in the world, I just wanted to remind you that there is so many possibilities in your life, and you are allowed to have so many dreams in life. We are beauty queens, but we are also wanted to be a vet. We also wanted to be an actress, a model. I just wanted you to know that with your capabilities, with your skills, with your potential, always believe in yourself that you can do so many things. Women are so capable of everything in this world. You could be a mother, you could be a daughter, a friend, and you could live all the things you want to. Only have good intentions and make sure that once you have birth, you could be a daughter, a friend, and you could live all the dreams you want to do. Only have good intentions and make sure that once you have lived, whatever you are, a life makes you better because you have lived.
Mitchak, I would like to give some life hack because 5 years ago I wrote in my notes 10 dreams and I was like, oh, it's impossible. I can't believe it. But I just wrote them for 30 days, every day. And on 30 days, I was like, maybe it will be in real life, but I'm not sure. So 5 years finished, and I'm sitting here, and the last one was like participating in Miss World and everything. I just would like to tell you, just write your dreams in the notes. And as much you're doing when you're just wake up in the morning and write in the note. It's very important, and for sure you will write me after 5 years that your dreams comes true. It's just small thing, but it will be bring you in your dreams life. Thank you.
Thank you.
So that is the power of manifestation, and we all got to know about that. So right now we request all the students to join in for the group picture along with the Miss World contestants.
Can I leave one message to the young children? Yes. Today's messaging is about protecting our environment, and I just wanted to say I'm from Australia, which is very far away from India, but climate change and environmental protection, it knows no borders. And I believe it's not up to just our national leaders to make a plan to protect our environment. However, it is up to our global leaders. And if our global leaders currently are not able to protect our environment, then it's up to us, the next generation, to become those leaders. Thank you.
Sorry, can I just add one? Hi, I'm Miss Japan. So when I was little, like when I was 6, one of my dreams is to help children because I knew that from the UNICEF that most of the children in other countries are starving and are facing like hunger problem. Then now I'm a graduate student, PhD, doing the doctoral degree, researching about also protecting not only the human, but also the nature. And then now I joined here because I realized that like protecting nature and human is too big for me to make a dream come true just by myself. So I joined this Miss World to make the bigger dream come true by like all of us joining together. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I'm so sorry to cut you off, but yeah, we're running out of time, so let's just join in for the group picture and let's walk in for the cultural activities. Thank you. I request all the students from the local schools to join in for the group picture along with the Miss World contestants.
Welcome to the beauty contestant Miss World 2025. This is the banyan tree where all the knowledge has been consolidated since many centuries. It is the tree that has witnessed the history of time. It is the nature, the representative of nature, which has recorded all the human evolution under its shadows, under its own great journey. So we welcome all the beauty contestants of Miss World 2025 to come over here to the cultural dais to witness the beauty and magnanimity of Telangana culture.
All the Miss World 2025 contestants to join in for the cultural programs. Let's walk this way. Please mind your steps, because the walkway is a little rough, so please mind your steps.
I request all the officials to make a way and path to come over here, all the beauty contestants to the cultural dais here. I request all the important dignitaries who ఇక్కడ ఎవరైతే కూర్చున్నారో అందరూ ముందు కూర్చునేది అందరూ హానరబుల్ ఎమ్మెల్యేస్ అండ్ మినిస్టర్ గారు ఇతర ప్రజాప్రతినిధులు మాత్రమే, మిగతా వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా వెనక కూర్చోవాల్సిందిగా విజ్ఞప్తి. It's a warm welcome to all the beauty contestants of Miss World 2025. So here you can find the magnanimity, beauty and splendor of Telangana culture in a nutshell. So here we from the Department of Language and Culture, Government of Telangana is proudly presenting wonderful melange and confluence of different art forms here on this very prestigious banyan tree. India is a country various diversities here. Language, religion and many other climatic conditions may differ from one to other. But here, the one and only soul that is connecting all the Indians together is that Indianness. India is a country of great culture, of grandeur past, and hundreds and thousands of years of history and glorious heritage. The cultural diversity of India is uniting all the Indians being together at each and every time and each and every point. So here I request అందరూ కెమెరా సోదరులు అందరూ ఉన్నారు, వారందరికీ కూడా విజ్ఞప్తి, కొంచెం మీరందరూ కూడా వెనక్కి వెళ్తే ఈ డయాస్ కి చూడడానికి వీలుగా ఉంటుంది. గౌరవ మంత్రివర్యులు శ్రీ జూపల్లి కృష్ణారావు గారికి, అలాగే ఉమ్మడి మహబూబ్ నగర్ జిల్లాకు సంబంధించిన గౌరవ శాసన సభ్యులందరికీ స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం. ఈ 800 సంవత్సరాలకు పైగా చరిత్ర కలిగిన ఒక అత్యంత అద్భుతమైన మర్రి చెట్టు కింద, ఈ మర్రి చెట్టు ఒడిలో, ప్రకృతి ఒడిలో అత్యంత అద్భుతంగా వైభవంగా ఒక సాంస్కృతిక ఉత్సవానికి శ్రీకారం చుట్టడం జరుగుతోంది. ఇప్పుడు సుందరీమణులు ఒకవైపు, సంస్కృతి మరొక వైపు, ఇంకొక వైపు ప్రకృతి ఒడిలో జరుగుతున్న ఒక అద్భుతం ఈ క్షణం. పర్యావరణకి, ప్రకృతికి, సంస్కృతికి, సౌందర్యానికి మధ్య ఒక అనుబంధాన్ని ఏర్పరిచే క్రమంలో ఈ కార్యక్రమాలు, ఈ సాంస్కృతిక కార్యక్రమాలు మీ అందరి కోసం ఏర్పాటు చేయడం జరిగింది. ఎదురుగా ఉన్న కెమెరా సోదరులందరూ కూడా దయచేసి డయాస్ కి ఎదురుగా ఉండవద్దని విజ్ఞప్తి. ఇప్పుడు కల్చరల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ప్రారంభమైతే మొదట వసుదైవ కుటుంబకం, ఆల్ ద వరల్డ్ ఈజ్ ఎ ఫ్యామిలీ అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ తో భారతీయ నృత్య రీతులన్నిటినీ ఒకే వేదికపై మీ ముందు ప్రదర్శిస్తున్నాం. మన దగ్గర కూచిపూడి, భరతనాట్యం, కథక్, ఒడిస్సీ, మోహిని అట్టం ఇలా రకరకాల విన్యాసాలు, రకరకాల కళారూపాలు ఉన్నప్పటికీ వాటన్నింటి యొక్క ఆత్మ ఒకటే, దట్ ఈస్ ఇండియన్నెస్. I request all the important dignitaries who joined here to make room and make a path to be visible to all the beauty contestants of Miss World 2025 to witness the beauty and magnanimity of various cultural art forms that is going to be presented here under the shades of the banyan tree and in the lap of the nature. first we are going to present Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam Bharatiyam. All the world is a one family, and India is representative and miniature of all the world. You can see here. Here many religions, many traditions, and different sorts of the things are being living here with harmony, integrity, and mutual respect. That harmony is the essence of Indianness, and Telangana is an epitome of all that harmony, integrity, and mutual respect. So as a token of respect to all the cultural traditions of India, here we presenting with a great pride to present all the traditions of India at one go, like Kuchipudi, Bharatanatyam, Mohiniyattam, Kathak, and Odissi at one go. I request all the dignitaries to give a wonderful applause to welcome all the artists who are going to perform now. I request all the people to join their hands together to give a round of applause to all the artists.
अरण्यान्निर्हन्ति अन्यश्चेन्नाभिगच्छति स्वादोः फलस्य जग्ध्वाय यथा कामं निपत्यते आञ्जनगन्धिं सुरभिं बौवन्नाम कुशीवलां प्राहं मृगाणां मातरम् अरण्यानि मशंसिषम्.
चाहे सो कहे मैंने जान से देना लगाई रे मैंने जान से लगा आई रे नारी चहे सो कहे नर नारी गवारी चाहे सो कहे मैं निजाम से नैना लगाई रे मैं निजाम से नैना लगाई रे मैं निजाम से नैना लगा आई रे नर नारी
नर नारी नर नारी गवारी चाहे सो कहे
मैं निजाम से नैना लगा रे
Bye.
request all the audience to give a huge round of applause to all the artists headed by Pramod Reddy for the wonderful performance. And I request Honorable MLA Sri N.M. Srinivasa Reddy Garu to say a few words on this very particular occasion of welcoming beauty contestants 2025 Miss World. It's a great honor to welcome all the contestants of this Miss World pageant to this great city of Mahbub Nagar. In the presence of Pillala Marri, which is the pride of Mahbub Nagar. This 700 years old tree is not only a tree, but it's a history in the making beneath this tree. As you have understood, this tree represents resilience. This tree represents endurance. This tree represents cultural heritage of this region. After this contest is over, you all will go to your homes. But take the memories of this tree with you. Because there may be moments of despair, gloom. At that time you will remember these memories, the memories of this great tree, which has withstood the times, challenges, droughts. It has given a new life, new civilization. No matter what the hardships are, it has survived these 700 years and is going to survive another 700 years. So this should be the lesson from this great banyan tree. This land of Telangana, as you are aware now, you have crisscrossed Telangana. You have visited Ramappa temple. You have visited the great forts built by Kakatiya dynasty. You have visited Thousand Pillar temple. And all the temple structures you have visited, which resembles the great history of this region. The people of Telangana have made 6 decades of struggle with determination to get their own state, to spread their culture to the whole world. And this is the great moment for all of us. Now we are showcasing the Telangana culture, its rich heritage to the whole world through you. Through your eyes we are telling, this is the Telangana, this is the robust Telangana, which blends ancient history, culture with modern technology and buildings and IT services. Take back great memories. This will definitely help you to lead a comfortable and successful life. This banyan tree will give us momentum in our lives. And any hardships that you are going to face, that we are going to face, think of this banyan tree. It will make you come out of your troubles. Thank you very much for making this evening a splendid evening. Best of luck to all of you. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Honorable MLA Srinivasa Reddy Gariki. Chala thanks. Now I request Honorable Minister for Tourism, Culture, Prohibition and Excise and Archaeology, Sri Jupalli Krishnarao Garu, to say a few words on this very auspicious occasion of celebrating and welcoming Miss World contestants 2025 to the native land of Mahbub Nagar on the very wonderful shades of the great banyan tree of 800 years of history.
Distinguished guests, global beauty contestants, you are all distinguished guests, contestants. Hearty welcome to you all. Our India, Bharat, Telangana and Mahbub Nagar, which is also known as Palamuru district, and which is so popular, this banyan tree, and all the other guests who are participating here, my colleague, legislators, colleague MLAs, the local MLA who spoke just now, Sri N.M. Srinivas Reddy, he represents this part of the area assembly. Normally what you call the Asian countries or the Western countries like a parliamentarian or like a senator, the state representative. And our another legislator, Kasireddy Narayan Garu, we call him as a brilliant Narayan Garu. And also our Madhusudan Reddy, we call him as GMR, where you landed in our airport, GMR airport. You can easy to remember. And another our MLA Krishnamohan Reddy Garu, depends from Gadwal, and our Shankar Dada is from Chardal constituency. And also our Maktal MLA Srihari Garu is sitting there. Probably, I think he may also be becoming a minister shortly. I think so. And another, our Tirupati Reddy Garu, who is the own brother of our Honorable Chief Minister Revant Reddy Garu. And our Revant Reddy Garu, Chief Minister, is instrumental in getting this or grabbing the opportunity of conducting this Miss World program in India, in spite of in Telangana, in spite of stiff and lot of competition among the states, not only among the states and also in the different parts of the world also there is a stiff competition. So we are thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister in getting this event here to our part of this Palamu, Telangana, and especially where we are now under the banyan tree. Sorry, I forgot. Extremely sorry. Parnika Reddy, she is representing our Narayanpeta. She is also a doctor. She is also a doctor. And other our chairman, there are a lot of people. And this banyan tree, just now explained by our Honorable MLA, this 700 years, it is not multiple trees, it is only one tree. It is only one tree spread over almost 4 acres or so. You can't identify its root, which is its main root. So one root over a period of 700 years spread over almost 3.5 or 4 acres roughly. So it's a great pleasure for all of us to see you all sitting under banyan tree. And during the past history, during the kingdoms and Nawabs, they planted a lot of trees for in those days, all these structures were not there. Anyhow, the people of this bustling town of Mahbubnagar feel specially privileged to heartily welcome you all to this heritage site of Pillalamarri. This is named after the 800-year-old banyan tree spread over so-and-so. Through the centuries, countless number of saints and spiritual leaders paid visits to this botanical wonder. It's not a tree, it's a wonder. You are all present in Telangana with the admirable mission of making your respective nations proud by winning the Setops and the dreams. And your presence here made us extremely happy and conferred new worldwide prominences to this town site. On behalf of the state government, I thank you all profusely once again. As you all must have noticed, Telangana is a land of cozy environment and the people are lovable. You might have tasted during the last 10 days or so. Our culture, values, enlightenment and entertainment go hand in hand. As you went round the lap of this Mother Nature with 4 locations, I am sure you have discovered new ideas about the things around. This is surely a soul-filling experience and a treat to your thinking minds and throbbing your hearts. Pillalamari is developed by our government into an eco-spiritual complex, and the tree and temples are existing as an impressive combination. The grandeur of this saintly banyan tree is in its numerous crop roots, branches and greenery filled widespread. And your visit in this Miss World program, definitely, I think you have tasted our food. How was it? How was it? Good? Is it not heart touching? Spicy. And also, okay, how about your cultural touch? Did our culture touch your hearts? You not seen? So just don't leave on 2nd June. There are a lot of things to be seen around Telangana state, which I cannot explain in words. There are many. Telangana has got a rich heritage, culture, folk, arts, and also there are monuments. There are very beautiful palaces, like what you have seen Hyderabad recently in that meeting or dinner. So your visit, all the participants in this Miss World program, you are showcasing your culture in India, and with these events we are showcasing our culture, heritage to the globe, to the world. And you are not just the participants in the Miss World, you are also as a tourist. And my request with you all, you are the ambassadors of our tourism. You should promote across the globe. Tourism is not just tourism, it also, I call it as a social work also, tourism. Tourism is not just tourist, it is also like a social work. Why? Because it helps the downtrodden, it helps the poor by way of providing employment and also self-employment. So we are taking this as an opportunity to showcase our strengths, our culture, our heritage, like temple tourism, eco-tourism, medical tourism, whatnot, there are many. So stay back for more number of days and visit, enjoy the number of places which you can't even dream. I thank one and all for you all for giving me this opportunity. I hope, don't stop it just to the extent of to the participant in the world, in this Miss World only. Keep coming and be our ambassadors. Thank you, one and all. Thank you very much. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. I'm extremely sorry. I have to thank our collector, Vijayendra Boiji. Please come. Please come. Vijayendra Boiji and her team members in making this program a success, and also our SP in making this event a successful. If I forget one Mr. Hari Krishna, who is our Director Culture, he is instrumental in organizing all these art forms, showing all these art forms. So if I miss anybody, so for all the participants, all the administration, all the employees and all that, I thank one and all once again. Thank you very much.
A huge round of applause to the people on the stage, the people who were the backbones of the event.
Thank you so much, Honorable Minister Sri Jupalli Krishna Rao Garu, for the wonderful message and inspiring words on behalf of the government of Telangana, for inspiring and motivating all the beauty contestants who joined here on this very auspicious occasion. And now I request Perini dancers to perform. చెప్పేది నండి. పేరిణి ఆర్టిస్ట్ టు పెర్ఫామ్. రైట్, ఓకే. సిక్స్ మినిట్స్. హలో, అయ్యా I request all the artists to be ready to perform Perini dance. Immediately Perini dance. Okay. For just sir, okay. Okay, I request Honorable District Collector, Madam, to give memento. Okay. Mementos.
I am sorry, I forgot to refer my friends, press people who are the fourth pillar of the democracy. I pardon them. క్షమించాలి, sorry, I forgot. అందరూ దయచేసి మన తెలంగాణ సంస్కృతిని, సాంప్రదాయాన్ని, ఈ యొక్క ఈవెంట్ యొక్క చారిత్రకతను పాలమూరు జిల్లా ప్రజలకే కాకుండా తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర ప్రజలు కూడా వీక్షించేట్టుగా చర్చించుకునేట్టుగా మీరు అంటే ఆ స్థాయికి తీసుకెళ్లాలని ప్రత్యేకంగా మీకు మనవి చేస్తూ ఉన్నా. థ్యాంక్ యూ మై డియర్ ప్రెస్ ఫ్రెండ్స్.
I apologize the inconvenience caused. Now we have the memento distribution by the Honorable Collector.
తాండవ నృత్తము యో I request all our MLAs and Tirupati Reddy Garu for giving mementos to all the Miss World contestants. And I forgot to tell, I wish you all the best. All of you should get crowns. Thank you.
Now I request all the contestants of the Miss World to join on the stage for the memento presentation. I request all the contestants, please join on the stage. Now we have a memento. Yes, please. Step up. Please watch your step. Please be careful while stepping up onto the stage. Chair. Yes, please watch the step while getting onto the stage. Name. Okay. I listed the countries. Countries listed. Are the countries listed? Countries listed. Phone. Australia. Just a second. Countries listed. Yes. Now I would like to call Miss Australia. Miss Australia for the memento presentation. Please give a huge round of applause. Here we have Miss Australia. Thank you, Miss Australia, for joining here with us. Up next, we have Miss New Zealand. Miss New Zealand. Let's show our energy. Let's give them a huge round of applause for the very talented, lovely ladies over here. Yes, yes, yes. Up next, we have Miss Armenia. Miss Armenia. I would request Miss Bangladesh to step up. Yes, now we have Miss Bangladesh for the memento presentation. Unda. Now I would like to invite Miss Cambodia. Up next, I would like to invite Miss India. Miss India. Excuse me. And I would like to invite Miss Japan. Up next, we have Miss Indonesia. I would like to invite Miss Vietnam to take the memento for Miss China, please. Vietnam. Yeah, yeah. And then we have Miss Kazakhstan. Miss Kazakhstan. Okay, that is all. Up next we have Miss Kyrgyzstan. Kazakhstan undi. And next I would like to invite Miss Malaysia. I would like to invite Miss Malaysia to step forward. And next we have Miss Myanmar. I would request Miss Myanmar to please step forward for the memento. Next I would request Miss Nepal to step forward. Yeah.
You are at Nepal.
Carry all our textile garments, take in a special flight.
Up next I would invite Miss Philippines to step forward for the memento presentation. Miss Philippines. Ma'am. Up next I would like to invite Miss Singapore. Miss Singapore for the memento presentation. Now I would like to invite Miss Sri Lanka. I would like to call Hari Krishna sir onto the stage. Sri Lanka, you had got used. I would like to invite Vinod Kumar Garu, Senior Advocate, onto the stage. Vinod Kumar Garu, please join onto the stage. And up next, I would like to call Miss Thailand. Miss Thailand for the memento presentation. I request Miss Turkey to step forward. I have no idea. Yeah, Lebanon. ఇంకా ఉన్నాయి. Vietnam is also. I request Muda Chairman onto the stage. I request Miss Lebanon. Miss Lebanon to join the felicitation program. I don't know. I request Miss Kazakhstan to join the felicitation program. I request Miss Mongolia to step forward for the pedal station. Sorry? Yeah. And I request Miss Vietnam to step forward for the memento presentation. That is the chain. Did we skip anyone? Yeah. And here we have Miss Vietnam. Thank you everyone for joining us tonight for this lovely felicitation program. I request everyone to step back a bit for the photograph. I request everyone to carefully step back. Now we have the group photo. Please step back. Please step 2 steps behind so that we can take the group picture. Just 2 steps behind. Yeah. Carefully. Please mind the steps because the stage is ending. Careful with the threads, ladies. You all look lovely and bright in this handloom silk shawls. You're shining much brighter. And tonight you're the stars.
After this photo shoot, there will be a wonderful and magnificent cultural programs that is lined up for you. Please stay with us. Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. So let's say this all together on the count of 1, 2, 3. Telangana Zarur Aana. Let's say 1, 2, 3. Telangana Zarur Aana. Wow, that's so lovely. Thank you. Once more, let's say it with much louder voice maybe. Okay? On the count of 1, 2, 3. Telangana Zarur Aana. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, one and all. The beauty contestants of Miss World 2025 and all the honorable minister and public representatives and honorable MLAs for joining with us on this wonderful evening to celebrate and to welcome the Miss World Beauty Contestant 2025 to come over here under the wonderful shades of banyan tree, the great banyan tree.